Let's learn how to order food in Turkish without learning grammar. When you watch this video till the end, I guarantee you that you will be able to speak Turkish with confidence. So, if you're excited like I am, let's start immediately. Now, pizza in Turkish is pizza, pizza. Repeat after me. Pizza. It's very easy. If you watched the video that I talked about Esther and her mom, where her mom asks Esther to clean her room. So she wants her to clean her room. Esther, I want you to clean your room. So istiyorum. Istiyorum means I want. And if you haven't watched that video, I will link it down in the description box below. So istiyorum means I want. Now we have two words. We've learned two words. Repeat after me. I'll give you a couple of seconds so that you can repeat. Pizza in Turkish is pizza. Yes, say it. Pizza. Now, I want in Turkish is istiyorum. İstiyorum. So, it's your turn to say it. İstiyorum. Excellent. Now, how can I say I want pizza? Pizza. So I have the two words istiyorum, which is the word that means I want, and it's the verb, and pizza. Pizza in Turkish is what I want to order. So I simply say pizza istiyorum. Pizza istiyorum. It's your turn to repeat after me. Say it. Pizza istiyorum. Excellent. Now, another word that we're going to learn is sipariş etmek. Sipariş etmek. Sipariş etmek. Sipariş etmek means to order. These two words together means to order. So again, sipariş etmek. Your turn. Great. Sipariş etmek. Let's see what we learned so far. How do I say I want pizza in Turkish? Pizza istiyorum. Excellent. What's the word for to order in Turkish? We just took it. Sipariş etmek. Excellent. Sipariş etmek. So make sure you're repeating after me when I say the words. I'll give you 1 second to say them. Let me repeat them one more time and then you will say them. Pizza istiyorum. Sipariş etmek. Your turn. Now, we said that when I want to say I want to order pizza, this is how we say it. Pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. We learned all of these words. So again, pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Your turn to say it. I will repeat it one more time so that you can repeat after me. Pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Your turn. Excellent. And now we know that this sentence is a complete sentence. It means I want, here it is, I want to order pizza. Pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Now let's make this sentence a little bit longer with more details. So we said, this is our sentence, we said that pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Now the word orta boy means medium-sized. Orta boy, as it is, you know, it's medium-sized. But in English, when we want to order a medium-sized pizza, we say, I want to order a medium pizza. Or if you say it, I want to order a medium-sized pizza. But anyway, orta boy means medium-sized. So I want to add this word to my sentence. Again, what's the sentence? You have to say it. Pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Excellent. Now let's add the orta boy. It will become this way. We say orta boy pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum, which means I want a medium pizza, or maybe I want a medium-sized pizza. However you want to translate it. Our sentence now is, I will say it one time and then you'll have a couple of seconds to repeat after me. Orta boy pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Your turn. Excellent. Now let's add more things to our sentence. So this is our original sentence, the things that we added so far. Now let's add some vegetables on, or whatever, vegetables or other things on our pizza. So we have domates is tomato, very close, right? Tomato, domates. Domates is tomato. I have sucuk is the sausage, sucuk, and peynir is the cheese. And of course, if you don't know the story behind peynir, how do you memorize it? I will also link the video that I explained about how to memorize Turkish words through stories. So again, domates is tomato. We have sucuk, peynir, peynir. So you can repeat after me. Domates, domates, sucuk, sucuk, peynir, peynir. Now I want to say 3 sentences. I want a medium-sized pizza with tomato. I want a medium-sized pizza with sucuk, and I want a medium-sized pizza with peynir, which is cheese. So this is our sentence again. Let's try the first one with tomato. Orta boy as it is. Before the word pizza or pizza, we put domatesli. So it's with domates, with tomato. It will be the following. Orta boy, domatesli pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. So I'll say it one more time, slowly, so that you repeat after me. Orta boy, domatesli pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. This is our sentence. So now it's turn to add the word sucuk. It will be the same idea, but instead of domates, we put sucuk. Orta boy, repeat after me. Orta boy, sucuklu, sucuklu pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Now, let's say the third sentence, which will contain cheese, peynir. Orta boy, peynirli pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Now, if you wonder why did we put here I, O, and I, it depends on the last vowel in the word. So you learn here when you have the letter E in English and the letter I also in English, we put I, and if it's you for now, you use you. Okay, these are what we learned so far. So let me say the sentences a little bit faster, and then you repeat after me. Orta boy, domatesli pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Your turn. Excellent. Next. Orta boy, sucuklu pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Great. Finally, orta boy, peynirli pizza sipariş etmek istiyorum. Excellent. You've learned 3 complete sentences and learned the meaning of several words like istiyorum, sipariş etmek, which you can use in different sentences. This one also, of course, pizza, domates, we have sucuk, peynir, and orta boy. See how much you learned from this video? Of course, if you got value and you learned something new from this video, let me know so that I create another similar video to this one. Don't forget, you can receive the PDF file of this presentation and all the presentations in my YouTube channel if you click on the link in the description box below. Now it's your turn. Mushrooms in Turkish means mantar. Mantar. How do you say the sentence, I want to order a medium pizza with mushrooms? I think we now know all the meanings of all the words. Write your answer in the comments section. Now let's continue. If you want to know which sentence represents these images, what sentence can we create using these images, a Turkish sentence that you will learn with the new words, then don't forget to watch the new video after this video. I will upload it soon. Inshallah.